What's up guys, I am Mike. And welcome back to Crypto Moon. And in today's video we're going to talk about a crypto art project, Pinata. But before we begin, please be advised by our disclaimer, since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So, without further ado, let us begin. Pinata was created with developers in mind. So, if you're building an app, an NFT marketplace, or anything in between, our APIs and SDKs will give you superpowers. Your home for NFT media. The cloud wasn't built for this. Pinata was. Managing your NFT media just got easier. We're hiring. We're a fast-paced, remote team of builders, makers, creators, and dreamers. And we think you might be the perfect fit. Submarining is here. Now, you can privatize any file you upload with Pinata, hiding it from the IPFS public network. Control who can access files and for how long. It is now available in the Pro plan. It is trusted by these industries. We are backed by Greylock and Offline. Meet our founders. Kyle Tutt, founder, CEO. Matt Ober, founder, CTO. Our values. We make sure to put meaning behind everything we do. Empowerment, empower creators to create something that is theirs. Intentional, everything we do with thought and purpose. Integrity, carry out decisions with your best interest in mind. Whimsical, always thinking of a world that is yet to be created. Best-in-class NFT media management. Your NFT, your way, share your NFT when, how, and where you want to share it. Beautiful, vibrant, branded for you. Fast and reliable, nothing sours an experience more than wait times. We make sure NFTs are reliably fast for everyone. Easy to use, as easy as uploading a file. If you have questions, our support team can help you succeed. Pinata by the numbers. Successfully launched at ETH Berlin Hackathon. More than 115 million pinned and counting. From enterprises and individual creators alike. Average response time from our support team. NFT storage made easy. No need for technical experience here. From day one, Pinata makes file storage easy for everyone. Whether it's images or video, 3D files or an app, easily take your creations and share it with the world. Why we exist: the internet sucks. We believe in a web where you can trust data itself without needing to trust who is holding it. To make this future a reality, we are building the tools and infrastructure for all creators to easily create and manage content on IPFS. We care about your work. Your own branding, you're the star of the show. Pinata works behind the scenes. Fast support, we provide the fast support across multiple channels. Community, our community shares helpful info, tips, how-tos, and more. Some of our frequently asked questions. Why should I pin my content with Pinata? We get it, building distributed software is hard. Each thing you don't have to worry about saves valuable engineering time and money. When you pin your content to IPFS with Pinata, you get the peace of mind in knowing that your content will always be online. Our customers don't have to worry about maintaining and monitoring their own IPFS nodes. We do it for them. In addition to keeping your content online, we also provide a variety of easy tools to give you better insight into the content you're pinning on IPFS. Is the content I store on Pinata private? While Pinata doesn't share what's stored on our system with anybody, IPFS itself is a public network. This means that any content added to IPFS is discoverable by anybody using the network. If you wish for more privacy, consider encrypting your content before uploading it to IPFS. Alternatively, if you'd like your own private IPFS network, Pinata can also help with this. And now, let us visit its Twitter page. As we can see here on their pinned tweet that states, our latest app, Submarine.me, launched this week. Now you can unlock any IPFS-backed content with NFT ownership. If you've had a chance to use it already, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Pinata joined Twitter back in September 2018 and currently has 10.8k followers. And if you want more updates about Pinata, make sure to tap that follow button and to turn on notifications. And that is all for Pinata. Come and visit our channel, subscribe, and watch out for our next videos here on Crypto Moon. Thank you for watching.